Hello, everyone, and thank you for joining us today. I want to introduce you to the Business Credit Builders. We are the most comprehensive system in the world for securing money and building business credit for business owners and entrepreneurs. Through our Business Finance Suite, you can get money for your business, build your business credit scores, and establish your business credit profile. You'll have a certified business credit building coach for 1 year and your own certified funding coach for 5 years. You'll hear success stories from our customers about our system. You'll see how easy our cloud-based system is to use to get you funding. We guarantee a $50,000 minimum in business credit for your business. Established businesses can receive a lot more. You'll feel the success of our system and profit greatly from it. I'll see you a little later. Now sit back and enjoy our presentation.
A lot of great businesses started or a conversation in a place like this. And one thing that all of these businesses had in common was they need funding. Funding and finance is the lifeblood of any business. A business cannot succeed without it. That's what we're here to do. That's what we do. We provide funding for business. And our whole job is to help you succeed at whatever it is that you're looking to do. Do you want to start a new business? We're here to help. Do you want to expand your existing business into a new territory, new country, whatever it is, hire more staff? That's what we're here to help you with. You want to buy a franchise? Anything you want, we can get you the funding. Funding is available. You can use your own savings, but frankly, that just takes forever because it's a long, slow process to bootstrap a business. Next thing, you can go to a bank, but you got to go convince the bank to believe in you. That's probably the most annoying thing about starting a business, and I know because I've started a few, is you're constantly having to convince everybody to believe in you. When you come to us, you don't have to worry about convincing us to believe in you. We don't have to believe in you. We'll help you get funding. I mean, frankly, Twitter, I never would have believed Twitter would have worked, but it worked, it's huge. So it's not our job to figure out if we believe in your business. Our job is to help you. Anything from a business credit card to a $5 million SBA loan, that's what we do. So look, I don't know where you're at, if you're in the napkin stage or if you're already a $10 million a year business. Either way, we're excited to help you out, and we look forward to talking to you.
Now, let's introduce you to our Business Finance Suite. You will see just how easy it is to build business credit using our program. Our advisors will guide you through the right steps to ensure that you optimize your opportunity for funding, and you will know what lenders are looking for even before you apply.
The Business Finance Suite is the most comprehensive business credit building system available today. Through the Finance Suite, you can build credit for your business that's linked to your EIN number, not your Social Security number. This business credit doesn't require a personal credit check or personal guarantee for approval, even if you are just starting your company and even if you have no collateral or cash flow. The Business Finance Suite demystifies the business credit building process by providing you 6 simple steps to build your business credit, to obtain high-limit revolving store and cash credit cards quickly. First, we help ensure your business is set up credibly to meet credit issuers' approval standards before you even apply. When building business credit, the company name, phone number, address, website, and all other information you enter on your business application must meet credit issuers' standards to get approved. By knowing what credit issuers are looking for, you can easily ensure you meet that criteria to have the best chance of approval. Once we help your business pass the credibility test, the Finance Suite then shows you exactly how your business credit reports and scores really work. By understanding your Experian and Equifax commercial credit, as well as your Dun & Bradstreet reports, you'll know how your business credit data is aggregated and learn how to easily build and control your business credit scores. Through the Finance Suite, you'll even be able to set up your free DUNS number from Dun & Bradstreet and get access to free Experian Smart Business data to monitor your business credit building in real time. And you'll get discounts on your full business credit reports with the 3 major business reporting agencies if you want even more details about your business credit profiles. You can even fix credit inaccuracies right through the Finance Suite, helping ensure you keep a good business credit profile even if you have blemishes reporting now. The Business Finance Suite provides you with an easy-to-follow, streamlined way to build your business credit. You can get approved with vendor accounts right away who will issue your initial credit and sources that report your credit to the business credit reporting agencies, not the consumer agencies. These sources will approve you even with no prior business credit established, and even if you are a brand new startup business. The Finance Suite also provides you with access to a large supply of startup vendors to set up your initial business credit profile and score. And you'll even be able to see which reporting agencies each account reports to, and the credit issuer's actual underwriting guidelines, so you'll know you can be approved before you even apply. Your business credit profile and score can be established in 30 to 90 days. Then you are able to use your newly established profile to get approved for real revolving accounts at major stores, all without personal credit check or guarantee required. Get approved for credit at places like Walmart, Best Buy, Amazon, Dell and Apple, Chevron and BP, Lowe's and Office Depot and Staples, Sam's Club and Costco, and many more. As you start to get approved for revolving store credit, you'll also be able to obtain actual cash credit with sources including Visa, MasterCard, and American Express. Approval limits on business credit accounts are typically 10 to 100 times higher than that with consumer credit. So it's common to receive approvals of $5,000, $10,000, or even higher very quickly. And with the Business Finance Suite, you get access to the most cutting-edge technology available for business credit building. Plus, you'll receive concierge coaching from our certified business advisor team who helps you each step of the way. The Business Finance Suite is the most comprehensive business credit building solution available in the world today. Contact us to get your own financial suite for your business so you can obtain business credit that's linked to your EIN number, not your Social Security number, and credit that requires no personal credit check or guarantee for approval.
Now we are going to show you actual testimonials from our clients. You will hear in their own words how they have greatly benefited from the newly updated, most comprehensive system in the world today to receive business credit and funding.
Okay, hello, my name is Curtis Henderson, and I am here to give you a testimonial about the Business Finance and Funding Suite. I have used the Business and Funding Suite myself, and I just want to say that it's been everything it was advertised to be, and then some. I'm really not sure where else you can find a program that is as comprehensive. But once you do go through the funding suite, your business is in a beautiful position to be to have access to lending and to be set up for what the banks and lenders are really looking for. And I think that's the big value of this program is, to me, when you're trying to get lending, the banks just come back and say yes or no. They don't really tell you why. It's not like obtaining a mortgage for a home purchase where they can come back and say specifically, hey, this is why we denied you. If you can correct this and this, then we're going to do business with you. In the business funding world, it's almost a mystery, and you wonder if the stars are just not aligned properly. What this program did, at least for me, is it clarified everything. Okay, it walked me through it step by step. Everything from the credibility phase and even 12 months, even right from the beginning. Once you get through the credibility stage, it's going to walk me right into a stage that's called fundability, where it's going to match me with whatever lenders I can get access to funds from right now.
and depending on how long you've been in business and some other things you have going for you, you can get access to funds right away if you need them. My interest in the program wasn't that. My interest was, following it through all the way and really putting my business credit-wise in a position where we had a strong D&B, paydex, and a good overall credit profile, so that if I need lending, the entity itself really looks stellar, not only from a paydex score perspective, but also all of the other little things that the lenders and the banks look for as far as extending funding to businesses of my size. I can't say enough about the program. Again, I did search around before I settled in on this funding program, and I tell you what turned me off about other programs is they didn't even really seem to kind of know what was going to work and what wasn't going to work. It was almost like, well, we'll try this, and then we'll match you with this lender, and we'll see if it works. That's not this program. This program is very deep. It's very well designed and very well organized, and I would recommend it to anybody that's seeking to get funding for their business or put their business in a position where they're credible for funding from lenders. And I have recommended it, and I will continue to do so. Again, my name is Curtis Henderson, and my company is Q Global, and it's been a wonderful addition to my business. Thank you.
Hey everybody, my name is Eric, and I've been using the Business Finance Suite for quite some time now. I've actually had it about a year, and a lot of people will get on here and tell you about how great it is and how amazing the customer service is and all of those things. I just would prefer to show you. So this might look a little weird on the video, but I am going to just turn my phone around here. That's what they did for me. You look down here, average national score. How's that? Guys, this thing really works. I cannot recommend it more.
Hello, my name is Edward Araujo from El Paso, Texas. I just wanted to take a few minutes to tell you how happy and grateful I am to have found the Business Finance Suite. As a small business owner and having owned small businesses in the past, it was always a challenge getting funding, financing. It would never allow us to grow. Trying to bootstrap these different businesses, we were always limited by the money. And going to banks, trying to get loans, you have to be perfect to be able to get a loan, and we were never able to do that. So we were never able to grow as much as we wanted until we found this option. Been on this Business Finance Suite for about a month, and it's already made a huge difference. I mean, you're talking about from the very beginning, making sure we were set up right, all the way through getting our trade lines, getting our revolving credit, and now we're looking at getting some funding. I cannot tell you how excited, how happy I am that we found the solution. If I would have found this years ago, who knows where our business could have been right now. If you're having any doubts about the Business Finance Suite, don't. I can guarantee you it works. It's awesome. You will be more than satisfied, and your investment will be well worth it. The only problem you're going to have is that you did not find this sooner. Thank you.
Whether you're starting a flower shop or opening a coffee shop.
Childcare businesses, janitorial businesses.
You can have an idea, you can have a dream. Restaurants and beauty salons and trucking services. And
graphic artists and freelance.
Tax services and food trucks. And
people who come from a different culture and know how to make that food really well.
And if you just get a few people to partner with you, you can make it happen. People have dreams, and maybe they haven't been to Stanford Business School, but they still have dreams about being able to do something, providing a service, doing something that they really love.
Well, I should have done this a long time ago.
It wasn't so long ago we were working with, maybe 100 people a year, and this coming year it'll be more like 2,000. That's 2,000 people that will be able to make a meaningful investment in their own economic futures and that of their children, and that'll have ripples over many generations, and that feels good to me.
It is exciting to hear in our clients' own words about the awesome results they are getting from our program. You too can and will benefit from it. Now, let us show you what you will receive and tell you about our cost savings that we are passing on to you for a very limited time.
Hello, and welcome to the Business Credit Builders. Today we are bringing you the power of business credit. During this short presentation we will explain business credit, its benefits, talk a little bit about business credit scoring, show you how we can help, and if you stay with us until the end, we have a special offer for you. Let's take a quick look at what business credit is all about. But before we start, I want to let you know about our guarantee. We guarantee that if you use our system with the help of our advisors, when you finish, you will have access to $50,000 minimum in business credit. This credit will be obtained in your business name only and regardless of your personal credit. Alright, so what are some of the features of business credit? Well, business credit is obtained in the name of the business only, not you, not personally. It has its own business credit profile and credit score. You will qualify as a business for greater amounts of credit based on the business ability to pay, not on your own personal ability to pay. And since the business qualifies for credit, in many cases there's no personal credit check required from the business owner. Now, let's take a quick look at some of the benefits. Building your business credit through our system will allow you to qualify for national revolving cards like Staples, Lowe's, Sam's Club, Costco, Walmart, and acquire computers from Dell and Apple. You will also be able to obtain high-limit cards from MasterCard, Visa, and American Express in your business name. The business can also qualify for loans and lines of credit from private lenders and banks. So in addition to providing capital to grow your business, funds received in your business name can be used to pay off or reduce your personal credit cards that you have been using to fund your business. Now that your personal credit cards are paid down, just watch what happens to your personal FICO score. It's not uncommon to see FICO scores rise by as much as 100 or even 150 points just by paying down those maxed out cards. Just think what that will mean to you personally. So, now that we have some idea about the kind of business credit available, let's focus on some of the other benefits that business credit provides. Because business credit is in the name of the business, it will not impact your personal credit score. Credit in the name of your business does not become your liability. I'm often asked about the debt that I have already guaranteed. Doesn't that make me personally liable for all my business debt? The answer is emphatically no. You are only liable if your business defaults on its obligations, and even then, you are only liable for debt you guaranteed, not all of the business debt. Further, the lender generally must pursue all other remedies before they try to collect from you personally. What most folks often overlook is that business debt is not reported to the consumer reporting agencies, so your business can obtain all the debt it is capable of supporting, and none of that will impact your personal FICO score. Business credit can and will grow with your business, and more importantly, provide the means for you to finance that growth. It's not limited by your personal FICO score and income. Okay, we're just getting started here. Let's talk about some of the other benefits that business credit provides. One of the greatest benefits is purely the amount of credit available, significantly greater than you would get in your own name. Just take a look at this chart. According to the SBA, credit limits on business versus personal credit lines are typically 10 times larger. Not only that, but as a consumer, if you want to maintain your good FICO score, you typically can't use more than 30% of your credit line. With business lines, you can max them out and it won't impact your business credit score at all. That's pretty significant, and what it really means is that your effective availability of credit is even more. We're not done yet. For all of you using personal credit to fund your business, you're paying too much. This is especially true if your personal credit is somewhat challenged. You could be paying as much as 20% or more just because you maxed out on the cards. Credit obtained in your business name will be on better terms and carry lower interest rates than credit obtained in your own name. This alone could significantly lower the cost of doing business. With business credit, you will have access to more financing options that are better suited to your particular business cash flow needs. And, as we have just discussed, the larger amount of credit available over personal credit will provide the necessary funding to help you grow your business and improve your cash flow. With our program, the business credit you obtain does not require a personal guarantee. This helps you keep your personal and business credit separate and distinct and prevents the business creditors coming after your personal assets in the unfortunate circumstance that your business should run into trouble. Furthermore, our program and advisors will help you to establish vendor accounts that report to the credit reporting agencies. Not all do. This is significant as vendor credit is the second step to building that all-important credit profile. The foundational step, the first one we call the credibility step, covers all the things that most small businesses get wrong. Since this is our business and we do it every day, we know how to properly establish your business presence. Things like your business name, proper licenses, entity type, federal identification numbers, business address, separate business phone. I could go on, but there are at least a dozen things that, if not done correctly, can result in denial of credit. With our program, you don't have to worry. Our process, if followed, ensures that they are done correctly. So, our process has completed two steps: credibility and the building of vendor credit, which are critical to the development of your business credit rating. Building that business credit score is the next critical step. Business credit scores are not like your consumer credit scores. Business credit scores are primarily based on whether the business pays their bills on time. Simple as that. Well, maybe not quite that simple, but close enough. Like the consumer credit reporting bureaus, which you all know and love to hate, there are three major business credit reporting bureaus. The oldest and most commonly used, especially for vendor credit, is Dun & Bradstreet. Both Equifax and Experian have their business credit bureaus in addition to their consumer credit reporting divisions. While they all have their own scores, the primary focus is on payment history. Each has a different scale, but all are intended to provide creditors the basis to make their decision as to whom to lend to and how much to lend. So, just like your personal credit scores are so important to you in obtaining credit cards, buying a car or a home, and so many other things, so too is your business credit score. What we do for you is guide you step by step in the process of obtaining and building your credit score. Business credit is not automatically created, and you have to work at it. This is where our skill set shines. We assist you in applying for your Dun & Bradstreet number, which is critical to the vendor credit world. Remember that from before, the foundation to the process of building your business credit and getting those credit cards and lines of credit is vendor credit. Now, with the D&B number, which we helped you obtain, and your vendor credit reporting to the agencies, your PAYDEX score will be established. Similarly, our program ensures that you are properly established with the other bureaus, so your credit will be reported and your scores established. Understand that not all vendors report to all agencies, and not all vendors report monthly. In fact, not all vendors even report at all. So, knowing who reports to whom and how often is critical to the speed and efficiency of building that credit score. You could perhaps do this yourself, but do you have the time and inclination to do that? Aren't you busy running your business? Yes, it becomes confusing, and that's where we come in. As I've explained, our system and our advisors ensure that it is done properly. Here, I'd just like to remind you of the previous video where you learned about the Backroom, the one that walks you through our simple cloud-based system, providing you with a step-by-step process, including video tutorials. So now that you've created your foundation, obtained vendor credit, and are building your business credit, we want to let you know that with our system, you will have direct access to over 30 funding products from over 2,100 credit and financing sources. No other funding site has access to as many products and sources. What our program means to you is that not only will you be positioned to meet the criteria of the lenders, but we can also provide you with the best product and present you with multiple offers for credit. What does this really mean? Success. Success in knowing that our system presents the best opportunity for you to fulfill your financing needs. Most lenders may only offer you one alternative source of funding. Our program not only has multiple sources, but multiple products. In most cases, our clients can qualify for multiple products, giving them the opportunity to choose the one that best fits the needs of their business, not the needs of the lender. Okay, so you saw just a little while ago a few video testimonials from business owners. Here are a few more for you to review. Remember our guarantee and know that we work with startups and established businesses. You would be surprised just how many established businesses, successful businesses, cannot obtain financing just because the credibility has not been properly built. In fact, just today we were talking to a very successful serial entrepreneur. He had substantial revenue and his business was profitable. Why did he come to us? He needed funds to grow a business he launched about a year ago. After our quick review, we easily determined why he was turned down elsewhere. Why, you ask? He was using a P.O. box in his cell phone. These are red flags to lenders, factors that suggest higher risk. So you see how important it is to do things properly. Okay, so you're probably wondering, when is he going to get to the offer? Well, soon. But first I want to show you what the business finance program would cost if you were to attempt to do this yourself. Just have a look. Complete 20-point lending compliance check and corporate documentation review, $900. Assist your company in attaining a paydex score of 80 plus, at least $1,000. We've seen others charge twice that. Establish 10 trade vendor accounts that report to business credit bureaus. Many people charge $2,500 or more. 1 year unlimited access to our certified business coach. $5,000 value right there. Direct access to over 2,100 private investors and business financing sources. That's at least a $1,500 value. So, you're all adding this up in your head. Let me help. Yes, a value of over $15,000. While you would pay $15,000 to accomplish this on your own, our offer to you, our value proposition, is only $39.95. You could do this on your own, but by the time you research all the steps involved, it would take you at least a year. And that assumes that you could find vendors that actually report to credit agencies. With our business finance suite and with our certified business credit advisors, many of which have spent numerous years in banking, we know how to get you approved for the lenders. We have successfully worked with thousands of clients to get their business credit built out. Many of our clients are business attorneys and CPAs from major accounting firms. Even they don't know how to do it. They knew some of the steps but didn't do them in right order, and others they just weren't even aware of. Just as we help them, we will help you to build your business credit as quickly as possible and do it the right way. We have even built out business credit for clients with MBAs, and one of the things that they told us is that they don't teach this in business school. Nobody does. We know what to do to get you funded, what is working now, and as importantly, in what order to do it. We are offering our all-inclusive business finance suite for $39.95. That's less than a quarter of what it would cost you to learn all this and build it yourself. We can do it in less than half the time it would take you without the mistakes you would inevitably make. Sometimes it's just as important for an advisor to tell you what not to do. A simple no can prevent a setback or even get you approved. We show you how to get it done right the first time. What would you do if you had $50,000 in business credit? What would you do differently today? The Business Finance Suite will typically get you 10 times the amount of business credit that you would be able to obtain using your personal guarantee and your own credit score. With business credit, you do not use a personal guarantee, and we can accomplish this regardless of your personal credit. Just obtaining our $50,000 minimum guarantee will give you a return of over 12 times your $39.95 investment. Established businesses will see even greater return. Where in today's market can you get those kinds of returns? In the 80s, IBM used to have a saying, no one ever got fired for buying IBM, because IBM was the world leader and set the standard for computers. Well, our business finance suite is the world standard for business credit. No one ever got fired for building out their business credit. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started today. You want somebody on your team that has done this thousands of times, does this every day, someone that knows what's working now, not what was working 3 months ago. You don't have to do this alone. We are the experts in business credit, and we will get you qualified. Now you see the value of our program, and here's what you've been waiting for, that special offer. Today, I would like to offer you a 40% discount, which is $1,500 off the complete business finance suite. You know, the one with the $50,000 minimum guarantee and your own certified business building credit building coach. Every business can appreciate a discount, and this one is significant. For the next 6 days, we will offer you 40% off. That's $1,500 off our program. That means you can get started today for only $24.95. 6 days from now, the discount is gone. This is the lowest price that we have ever offered. Give yourself a break and take advantage of it today. For those of you who would like to spread the cost over time, we also have our business cash flow financing program. We understand that cash is king, so to help you with your cash flow, we will finance you for only $1,500 today and then 2 monthly payments of $750. Here are the program options. Option 1, which 70% of our business owners choose, is a one-time payment of $24.95. Option 2 is the cash flow financing option, allowing you to break up payments to better match your cash needs. And finally, our retail price, the price you pay 6 days from now. So take advantage of our special. Our 40% off special is the lowest price that we have ever offered for our program. Take the savings and earn a minimum 12 times the return on your investment. Do this today, because 6 days from now, the price returns to $39.95. Invest in your future. Purchase our program today and thank yourself tomorrow. This is the best system in the world to build business credit. Get started on your business success today.
Welcome back. As you can see, the Business Credit Builders, Business Finance, and Funding Suite is the most comprehensive system available for securing money and building business credit for your corporation. Without a personal guarantee and regardless of your personal credit, we guarantee a $50,000 minimum in business credit for your company. Our experts have helped thousands of clients obtain business credit for over 10 years. It doesn't matter if you're in the napkin stage or if you're an established company going for a $5 million SBA loan, our certified advisors will help you along during the entire process. Let's talk about the benefits so that you can make the right decision and buy with confidence. How would $50,000, $100,000, or even more change the way you manage your business? Could you take advantage of a supplier's discount, buy out a competitor, or just expand into a new facility? How profitable could you be in 6 months, 1 year, or even 5 years from now if you had the capital you needed? For the next 6 days, we're offering $1,500 off our complete program. That's 40% off. Click on the link now to get started on your success.